everyone! Today we're drawing and coloring a beautiful coconut drink with glitter. Grab your colors and let's get started.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay! First, I draw the straw. Then I draw the inner shell of the coconut. Next, I draw the outer shell. Now I draw some lines to divide the coconut into sections for coloring. This is a green coconut, full of sweet water and perfect for staying cool on hot days. After that, I add a few cute flowers and some leaves around it. Now it's color time! I'm using two colors for the coconut. First, I use deep green. Green coconuts are full of refreshing water and are perfect for summer. Then I use light green to give it a nice shiny effect. This coconut is a young fruit from the coconut tree, packed with natural energy. For the leaves, I use light green. The straw is colored in orange. And I use orange for one of the flowers too. The inner shell is colored with gray. For the outer shell, I use yellow. I also use yellow for the center of the flowers. Then I add red and magenta to color the rest of the flowers beautifully. And we're done! Our shiny glitter coconut drink looks amazing! If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more colorful art videos. See you next time! Bye!